international flights coming in from other states, and you just gave an example of British Airways, you think going mask free could have its own disadvantages?
Yes, definitely. Because now with the government adopting the policy that no RT-PCR needed with the people who are double vaccinated, the agreement signed between certain countries that you don't need a test on arrival. So what is going to make a big difference is the mask. So I would personally advise the mask should be there, at least for the people who are coming in the flights and here also, at least for some more time, maybe for another 6 months, definitely till we continue to have zero cases throughout India. In fact, Goa is doing wonderfully well. We are getting 2 to 4 cases, even some days have gone with 0 cases. So if we continue this for a long period of time, definitely will help. We are going to get tourists from all over the India with an international flight opening up. Chances of infection increasing are quite high. So I personally feel that mask should be there, and it's up to the government to decide whether we should go mask free or not.
So you think it's too early? It is too early for us to go mask free?
Yes, I personally feel that we should continue with the mask.